Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your earbuds Philips. So the touch controls located at the back side of each earbud. Right here at the top we have it. Now let me play some song. If you press one time at your right or left earbud, you will play or pause the song. Now I just pause it, and now I play my audio. Then we have double press. If you double press at your right earbud, you will play next track, 1, 2. If you press 3 times, you will play, if you press 2 times at your left earbud, you will play previous track, 1, 2. It worked. Also we have press and hold. If you press and hold at your left or right earbud, you will call your voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you set up Gemini, you will call Gemini, or maybe you have Samsung, you will call Bixby. So press and hold. And as you can see, I just awake Siri. Let's check the left one also. And it also works. Now, when somebody calls to you, you can answer the call by press one time at your right or left earbud. Then you can finish the call with a double press on your also left and right earbud. And you can reject a call with also double press at your left or right earbud. And that's it. We haven't volume control. To control volume, you need to use or controls at your phone, or in the control panel this volume control slider. So just increase to move up to increase the volume and move down to lower the volume. And that's it. We haven't also application, so we cannot customize these gestures. We cannot set some feature to another gesture. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!